Hey guys, this berry knot pattern is a little more detailed than Monday's pattern. We will use double half hitch knots and berry knots to create a semicircle pattern. Let's get started. For your setup, cut one piece of rope that is 2 meters in length and fold it in half so there is 1.3 meters on one side and 0.7 meters on the other. Attach it to your dowel using a lark's head knot so that the 1.3 meter section is on the right side of your work. Using the longer cord, make another lark's head knot on the right side of your work, leaving the rope loose in between both of your lark's head knots. Cut 10 more pieces of rope, each piece is 1.4 meters long. Fold each piece in half and attach to your work using lark's head knots. Adjust the cord to get rid of the extra space left on the side of your semicircle. Using the cord on the left as your filler cord, tie 10 horizontal double half hitch knots working to the right. Using the cord on the right as your filler cord, tie 10 horizontal double half hitch knots working to the left. Tie one more double half hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the 2 sides. Starting on the left, tie 6 alternating half square knots or 3 alternating square knots. Grab the 2 middle cords and pull them through the middle of the 4 cords at the top of your work. Bring those cords around the bottom and tie one more square knot or 2 half square knots to hold the berry knot in place. Repeat this process 3 more times, tying 1 berry knot on the left side of your work and 2 berry knots on the right side of your work. Tie one more berry knot in the middle of your work. I wanted to make this berry knot a little bit bigger, so tie your square knots around 4 strands instead of 2, and tie 8 alternating half square knots or 4 alternating square knots instead of 6. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be helpful for others, please feel free to share it. If you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks again, and don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.